the Supreme Court has enhanced, has 18 months he's already undergone of this death sentence. 6 years is what he had been given by the Tada court. Sanjay Dutt gets 5 years in prison. 6 is what the Tada court had given him. 7 is the maximum sentence. And that's the big story that we're breaking here on Headlines today. Sanjay Dutt, film star Sanjay Dutt, gets 5 years in prison for illegally keeping an AK-56 rifle, for keeping a 9mm pistol. The Tada court had given him a 6-year prison term. 7 years is maximum that you can get. Supreme Court has brought it down to 5 years in prison. 18 months in prison Sanjay Dutt has already done. Sanjay Dutt will go back to jail. Let me quickly bring in Headlines Today's Rukmini Vishwanath for more on this. Rukmini, what did the Supreme Court say on Sanjay Dutt?
Well, just information just trickling in right now, Gaurav, as you said, Sanjay Dutt's time served was considered, but he has been asked to serve 5 more years in prison. That is what, that is the information we are getting right now. Let me tell you, Gaurav, that a lot of legal experts we've been speaking to will also be shocked by the Supreme Court's verdict. Because while a lot of them believe that Sanjay Dutt's crime was extremely serious and that it merited a serious punishment, a lot of them felt that he might get some respite considering he's already served some time. Supreme Court now wants him to serve 5 more years. We'll have to wait for the details of the judgment. Let me quickly once again tell our viewers, Gaurav, this was of course for Sanjay Dutt's conviction under the Arms Act, which he was convicted by Tada, as you know, for 6 years. But Supreme Court now says that he will have to be serving 5 more years. He was found with an AK-56 rifle and a 9mm pistol. Both of them were illegally procured by the key conspirators of the 1993 serial blast. Now, while Sanjay Dutt was cleared of conspiracy to the 1993 serial blast, he was convicted for possession of illegal arms.
Okay, so the latest that is coming in, Jugal Purohit joins me with the latest. Jugal, this 5 years is maximum what he gets. 18 months he's already done. So is it another 3.5 years? Is that what the Supreme Court has said?
Well, Gaurav, we will have to actually read the fine print of the Supreme Court order in this case. It has just come barely 3 minutes before now, and the Supreme Court has said that his conviction under the Arms Act has been upheld. This conviction, remember, was handed out to Sanjay Dutt by designated Tada court in Mumbai in November or in the year 2007, and the Supreme Court has mentioned that despite Sanjay Dutt's behavior after he got bail in 2007, despite the charity, despite the work that he was, it does not warrant the benefit of leniency, and that is the reason why Sanjay Dutt will have to complete his prison term. The court has in fact remarked that they will reduce his term from the 6 years which is given out by the
I'll hold you for a moment. Let's quickly cut across and listen in to Sanjay Dutt's counsel, senior advocate Satish Manishinde. We'll be listening to him in just about a moment. We'll cut live to what Satish Manishinde is saying.